This person you see on my screen doesn't exist. She's not real. She's an AI influencer. I'm making hundreds and thousands of dollars every month just by me creating these AI influencers, posting them on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these AI influencers and how to make money with them. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So let's dive into the video. How are you going to be creating these AI influencers? The tools you need, everything you need to create this content is free. You don't need to pay any money for it. So I'm gonna be showing you the tools that you need to create this stuff and how to go about it. So stick around because you don't want to miss any part of this video. The first step is for us to create our AI influencer. So we'll be needing a tool which is called Sora AI. And what are we going to be doing? The first step is to ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt that will create the image of our AI influencer. You can see on my screen, I'm on ChatGPT. So I'll be asking ChatGPT to give me a prompt to create an image of a beautiful, stunning, realistic AI influencer. So you can see. Okay. ChatGPT has given me a prompt. You can be specific. You can tell ChatGPT to create maybe depends on the ages. If you want 23 years or influencer, 25 years or 30 years or depend. So ChatGPT has given me a prompt for a 23 years old. So I'm going to take this prompt and paste it on Sora AI to create our images. So you just have to copy your prompt. So I've pasted what I want. So I'm just going to click send. So AI is going to develop two different images. So let's wait for it to generate. Sometimes the site is crowded, so it takes a little bit of time for you to get the images, but it's actually quick. Image is ready. So let's load in our image and get to see what it created. It's loading. Okay. This is a stunning image, so I need to choose either this or this. Let's say I want this image. You can see the stunning AI influencer that Sora just created. The image that he created is so ultra and realistic. I can edit it to anything that I want. Let's say I want it to wear a jean and a top. Let me edit it. Let it put on a jean, blue jean, and a crop top. So I want to edit the image. I'm editing the image to fit what exactly I want. So I want the AI image to put on a jean and a crop top. The white attire that I'm seeing, I really don't like. It's okay, it's cute and all, but I prefer the ones that put on jeans. So that's why I gave it a new prompt. The new prompt that I installed that's giving me two new images. And I'm just going to select one of them. And now it's time for us to create our video. What are we going to be doing? We're going to tap on create video. When you tap on create video, you just go to ChatGPT, copy your prompt, You copy the prompt. For example, this is my video prompt. I'm just going to copy this and I'll paste it here. And I'll check the resolution. Make sure to check it's 916. TikTok videos 916, 5 seconds, and so on and so forth. I'm just going to click create. So it's going to take a while for it to create the video. So just gonna wait and see. So it's creating the video. You just have to wait for a while. Make sure when you're creating, as I said before, it depends on the niche that you're on. If you're on fitness niche, you create AI influencer that are catered to fitness. If you just want to create content around beauty, fashion, you can tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt that makes the AI influencer to wear different fashion items and so on and so forth. Okay, our video is ready, so let's dive into it and get to see it. Ooh. Oh, you can see it gave us 4 different variations of video. You can see from the screen, you can see these images. You get to select the one that is most suited for what you like, the one that you like the most. From these 4, I like the third one, the first and the third one. What you're going to do is select the one that you like and you click sharing options on publish. You just have to download it and you start posting. That is all you need to do. You just have to download and start posting to your different channels. So that's how you're going to be creating these AI influencers and making money. Now that we are done creating our AI influencers, we have our video ready. The next step is for you to create your TikTok account, your Instagram, or your YouTube account. Wherever you want to post these videos, you create your TikTok account and make sure to give it an appealing name. Don't just pick any name from anywhere. Give it an appealing name. Names like, if you're using a female AI influencers, you can use names like Sophia, Maya, Lucia, names that are attractive, very attractive. After creating your account, you start posting content. You can create content around day in my life as an AI influencer. You can create content around beauty tips. You can create content around AI influencer that is dancing to different musics, trendy musics on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, and so on and so forth. You start posting. Make sure to post every day. You have to post every day if you're just starting off in order for you to gain traction on TikTok or Instagram. You have to make sure you post at least once a day, then you post at least 2 stories, things like that, and you start growing from there. Be consistent. Create in batches. Don't just create one video every day. You can create many videos in a setting. You can create like 20 to 50 different videos. You pile them, you schedule them. You can go on TikTok studio, you schedule all those videos. You don't need to go over and over to like post them. You can schedule them and it will be posted for you at the time that you schedule. After creating and posting, make sure you're posting consistently. When you get monetized. For example, on TikTok, you get monetized when you reach 10,000 followers and you start making money. Even people that are not up to 10,000 followers, brands can contact you even when you're not up to 10,000 followers and you start making money. But most times, these AI influencers get followers easily because they are very gorgeous, very attractive, and men are always ready to follow them. So that is how you're going to start making money using AI influencers. And when you become monetized, you can go through affiliate marketing, you can TikTok shop, you can promote products and make money through TikTok shop, you can get brand deals, you can funnel traffic, and when you get to 10,000 followers, TikTok can start paying you for videos. Start making long form videos and TikTok start paying you. And let me emphasize, You don't need only one AI influencers. You can create multiple different looks. If, for example, you don't need to create, you can create like two AI influencers, two particular look of AI influencers, and create two pages and start growing them and see the one that grow faster. That is what people are doing today. If you go on TikTok, you see even on Instagram, you see AI pages that are growing drastically more than real human pages because people are attracted to unrealistic stuff. So you see different pages that grow in weeks, months, they are growing drastically. So if you're serious about making money online without showing your face, start this content today. Start it today. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. All you need is ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you your prompts. You go to Sora AI, you put in your prompt, you generate your image, generate your video, and you start posting them on different platforms and start making money for yourself. So guys, this is how you're going to be making money using AI influencers. If you want any help, if you want names that you can use for your AI influencers, you can ask me in the comment section. This is your sign to start. Creators are making hundreds and thousands of dollars. You don't want to be left out. AI is dominating everywhere. So, guys, grab this opportunity because what I'm bringing to you is a gold mine. Grab it and start making money for yourself. Start creating content, making money for yourself, and you won't regret it. In a few months' time, you'll be grateful. You'll be happy you did listen to this video. Thank you, guys. That's the end of our video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. If you have any questions, as I always say, leave them in the comment sections and I'll get back to you. Thank you all and see you in our next video.